Hello everyone, I'm nutritionist Vidisha and welcome to my channel NutriFun. Hope you all are doing good. So today I will talk about overeating. Overeating, you need to know that overeating is not binge eating. Binge eating is your choice, but overeating is not. Overeating, those who did overeating, those who are not intent to do overeat, but they are not able to control their portion size. They can't control when they don't know exact the amount they need. They don't know what time they are feeling full. They they don't have any control over it, but they want to do it. They are not doing intentionally. They are eating healthy, but still they are eating more foods. The quantity is more for those. They are gaining weight, and I am talking about that overeating, how you will stop that overeating. I am here to guide you people. How will you stop your overeating? How will you know when your stomach is full, when you need to stop your food, and how you avoid that overeating? I will talk about everything, each and every way, and these are very simple. I will talk about only 4 ways how you can stop overeating, and trust me, if you follow this, you will be able to avoid this overeating. Before starting, let me clarify that I am not going to advise you to drink lots of water or glasses of water before your meal so that you can't eat more. Or neither I am going to eat you in a small plate, neither I am going to tell you that eat only 3 times a day so that you can avoid overeating. This can be a short term process. You can't try this for rest of your life. I am going to tell you those 4 tips which you can incorporate in your life for rest of your life, and trust me, this will help you to totally avoid you this overeating. Most of us watch TV or any television shows or any web series during eating, but this is very bad habit. When we watch any kind of shows during eating, then our concentration is not on what we are eating. Our whole concentration in what we are watching. Even we feel that after finishing the food, even we feel that our stomach is full, but still if the shows is not over, we feel to eat more, and even if we feel no, we shouldn't eat more, then we think that it's okay, we can eat this time and we will walk a little more today, or we will do more workout today. But this later or next time is never going to come. So stop eating while you are watching TV. It's really harmful. It's not let you to stop overeating. Solution number 2. Maybe you have noticed that sometimes just after eating we feel that our stomach is full and we have done overeating. Why this has happened? Because we don't take all the foods at one time in your plate. Just take all the foods at one go, then start eating. Sit properly, take all the foods. If you don't do it, what you do, you eat some food. Suppose there are 4 items to eat. If you take all the 4 items, you take each and every items in some small quantity. But if you don't take it at one time, you take one by one, then what you do, you eat one item in more quantity, and you need to eat all 4 because your nutrients, there are nutrients in every food. We get nutrients, different types of nutrients we get from each and every food, and each and every nutrient is needed by our body. So what we do, when we take foods one by one, we take it in more quantity. So there is an intent to eat more food, and that's why we do overeating. So from the next time, what will you do? You will take all the foods at one go and sit properly, then you eat. And after finishing your plate, if you feel you are still hungry, your stomach is still not full, then take another kind of food or what kind of food you want to eat. But don't take it one by one. Solution number 3 is do not eat directly from the container. What happens when you directly eat from container? You are not able to track the amount you need to eat. So what will you do? You will take out that portion what you want to eat at that time in a plate or bowl. Eat that, finish that amount. Then if you feel you are still not full, your stomach is still not full, then refill your plate. And do not do not sit to eat with your container. If you do that, what will you do? If you feel that if you like that food specifically, then after finishing that food, you will again eat that food, and it will not help you to lose weight. You will always do overeating. So what will you do? Take out that food you want to eat at that time in a plate. Keep that container away in its place. Sit properly and eat. After finishing that, if you feel you are still not full, then refill your plate. And the final solution to stop overeating is do not skip your meals. When you skip any of your meals, after there will be a long time gap in your 2 meals, and you will feel hungry. And when you will feel hungry, you will eat fast, and before realizing your stomach is full, you have already eaten more food than you require. So there will be always a chance of doing overeating. So do not skip any of your meals. Try to have 3 main meals and along with that some small meals. I'm not talking about eating something unhealthy. Eat something healthy like nuts, fruits or makhana and any kind of healthy option, but try to have some small meals in the middle of your main meals. So if you eat in a short span of time, then there will be chances to avoid overeating. So these are 4 simple tips to avoid overeating. If you follow these tips, I am sure you will be able to avoid overeating. And what I always tell you, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon right next to it. And if still you haven't followed NutriFund over Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then just go and check out the link in the description box. Eat smart, go fit. Thank you.